Hey, hope you're having a good day. Got some box here. A little pocket check. Got the Spyderco Little Native. We got McBee. And got the old Strider .75 AR. What's in your pocket today? Gotta get into this thing. Ordered this from American Edge. It's a ProTech. Never had a ProTech before. I've been wanting to check these out, but never got around to it, and wasn't sure about the size. Let's see how they are. I've heard a lot of good things about ProTech. If I can get in there. Sharp Edge. Okay. Brand new in the bag. We got the little Strider. ProTech Strider. Let's see. PT205 Gridlock. Strider PT Plus Auto. Gridlock handle texture. That feels pretty good. Let's see. A little bit bigger, longer than the Native 5, or little Native. Stonewash. ProTech USA. This feels pretty cool. And it's an auto. That means you push this button and it flies right out. Well, they're not going to make any more of these, so I figured I better pick one up if I was going to try one out. Now's the time, because they're not doing any more. Small, but I can get a full grip on it. Let's see. Just a blade length. Just a little bit shorter than the .75. That's pretty cool. I always wasn't sure about the size of these. Figured they were pretty small, but it's actually not bad. Yeah, these are kind of my go-to smaller knives that I really like. Yeah, this thing's cool. Magna cut. Little fuzz. Stonewash or whatever is on there. Looks pretty cool. Thin blade. Closes pretty easy. And it's got quite a spring on it. Let's see, I'll just kind of limpy open it. It wiggles around quite a bit. Yeah, this cool blade shape. Like these Strider blades. This is the first one I've owned with this kind of Strider looking blade. Let's see. Let's drop stuff. I got my tool sitting around. Yeah, these are cool. It's kind of thick. Kind of a thick handle. That's probably why it feels good in the hand. Kind of fills your hand out a little bit more than a tiny knife like this normally would. Yeah, I really like it. Feels nice. Flies right open. Very cool. Okay. First ProTech. Good impression. A little bit of wiggle. Not too much. Wonder if I can just tighten that up a little. Yeah. That's a pretty good one for a little one. I was hoping they'd make larger versions of these again. I think it was the SNG ProTech Strider. Yeah. I have to try to get a hold of one of those sooner or later. Yeah. Discontinued. This is really cool. I don't know, for whatever reason they stopped making these. They stopped working with Strider, which is fine. They've been, I think it's been a pretty long time they've been making these for them. Yeah. Pretty cool. Side opening auto. PT Plus. Very cool. Well, hope you're having a good day or night. Thanks for watching. See you next time.